Now, I don't want to get too inspirational, but some of the quotes I've been receiving from this new WhatsApp bot have been bangers. Let me read some out to you. If you correct your mind, the rest of your life will fall into place. How do I do that? Today, we're going to be building a WhatsApp bot that sends you inspirational quotes, and you can do that by opening up the terminal and typing pip install requests. And then we're going to open a new Python file, and we're going to import requests and import time. And then we're going to define a new function called getRandomQuote. So def getRandomQuote. And we're going to get our quotes from an API endpoint called api.quotable.io-random, which gives you random quotes. And if you're wondering what API stands for, it's apple, pineapple, pen. What does API stand for? Ah, yes, of course, I knew that. Application Programming Interface. So response equals request.get, and we're going to put the URL we had just now. And then if response.statuscode equals 200, which means it was successful, then quotes equals response.json. And for our own reference, we're going to print out the quote. So print an F string, and in our curly brackets, we're going to put quote content and then quote author. And we're also going to return this F string. Now we need a function that actually sends the message on WhatsApp. So def send message, number, and API key, and quote equals get random quote from the function we wrote just now, and then base URL equals, and we're going to be using another API called callmebot, so api.callmebot.com, and I thought it would give us instructions as to which number we need to text, but I couldn't find it on the website. I don't know why. So I texted the old number I had. And the instructions were basically that you need to text this number and text it, I allow callmebot to send me messages. So I texted the old number and it gave me a new number. So if you also can't find the number on the website, you can try this number or you can try the new number I just received. And after you text it, I allow callmebot to send me messages, it will give you the API key. We're going to need this for later. And now the callmebot has our number registered. So base URL equals the URL we had just now, but also with dash whatsapp.php. And then we need to create a payload with curly brackets where the phone is the number, text is quote, and API key is API key. And then request.get, base URL, and params equals payload. And after that, we need to call these functions. So while true, send message, and then you're going to put your phone number and then the API key, and then time.sleep, and I'm going to put mine at 60. So I'll receive a message every minute, but you can set yours to whatever you want. Now, if we hit run, and there we go. Coincidentally, we received the same quote. If you correct your mind, the rest of your life will fall into place. Okay, bye.